Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unstuffing my expenses. I did do a lot of bill paying over the week and the first half of this week. So we're going to go ahead and get into that. So I paid my Mini Cooper and that actually got taken out. So I'm going to be able to take all that out. And then for my Progressive, I also paid my insurance. So I'm gonna go ahead and take all that out. For AT&T, that's the internet. I haven't done that yet. Credit cards, I did just pay my $102 payment for my Capital One card. As you guys know, I have about $1,900 that I owe on my Capital One card, and with this payment, I now have a total of, I think, $1,800 or $1,700, something like that. For Affirm, I also paid my Affirm. That was $60, so I'll go ahead and take that out. I also paid my self-loan, which was only $25, which I budgeted for $55, I think. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep this in there for right now because I have to basically exchange the 50 for other things. So actually, hold on. Let me see if I can do it from here. So I still have 25 in there. So if I have another 5, okay, so I could just take this out and just put a 20 in because I paid $25 on my self card. So this will be for the next time. All right, so food, I have spent $104 out of the $120 that I budgeted for. So that leaves me with $16 left. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can do that. Let's see, 5 and 1. All right, so $16 is gonna be still in my food. And I got gas, which I actually did it halfway. So I already spent $25 in gas. So that leaves it with 25. You know what, guys? I totally didn't budget this right. 24. I'm gonna still put 25 in there because I did $24.50 for my gas. So I'm just gonna put 25 left in there out of the 45 I budgeted for, just in case. So for household, I haven't bought anything like laundry detergent or anything like that because we're pretty stocked up on that. For pets, we just got new cat litter and some food, so that was actually $17. So I actually went over that, but that's okay because they needed all that. So all right, so that's it for the unstuffing. So now what I want to do is go through to my personal savings. I bought some clothes over the weekend and basically it was like 60 something dollars. So remember that $50 that I put in for my spending, I put it into my personal savings so that it would be separated from my expenses. So I'm just gonna take the 50 out because I went over a little bit. And oh yeah, I'm taking it out of the clothes as well. So the $50 and the clothes money So that's basically $60 there. So that actually covered it. So clothes and personal saving thing the spending thing that I budgeted for. And a lot of people were like, don't forget Jay's birthday. So yeah, I actually was one day off from what I thought it was. So it's actually the 24th of March. That's when Jay's birthday is. So I'm not going to forget about it. All right, so that's it for that binder. And for the other thing that I wanted to do, I wanted to go to the subscriber goal. You guys, we have finally made it to 300 subscribers, and it's so exciting. I think whenever I get up to 500 subscribers, I'm gonna do a giveaway, and I'm gonna do probably like something really custom for you guys. So whoever wins, I can do like their custom inserts for their envelopes, or I can do like a custom challenge for them or something. But guys, we made it to 300, and I am so thankful for everyone who's been watching and supporting me. I can't really thank you guys enough. Like, I do it in every single video because it's like, you guys support me through so much, and I really appreciate it. So thank you guys so much for 300 subscribers, and welcome for all the new people. So yeah, and my watch time is almost to 300 hours, so I'm not going to scratch it off yet because it hasn't actually passed it, but I have a feeling that probably by next week, it's probably going to be in the 300s, so that'll be perfect in time. So 300, almost 300 hours of watch time and 300 subscribers, and it's only in March, so that's awesome. And for receipts, I actually have some receipts, but I haven't put them in there yet. And guys, it's the morning, so I'm too lazy to go get them, but I'll put them in there, I promise. So thank you guys so much for watching. And if you enjoyed hanging out with me, I enjoyed hanging out with you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.